Hi, I just wanted to say thank you for this wonderful program. Clients on Automation, COA, I love it. It's in 2 weeks taking me from not knowing anything and being quite disillusioned. Tried all sorts of things like social media, posting too much, got tired of that and didn't really, felt silly really. And I've tried some cold messaging as well, which was not very pleasant. I didn't think so anyway. And then this came, and the whole process is just amazing. It's like it builds you up. The way Ed's has structured this, it sort of builds you up till believing that you can do anything. So I have now, in less than 2 weeks, I have written a HVG PDF, 23 pages. And actually writing always quite terrified me. But that just flew, or was flowing. It was wonderful. And then I've posted my first ad. I've got 15 leads so far. And today I've started to text potential leads or leads. And I'm starting to chat with some of them, which is wonderful. And tomorrow I'm going to start calling as well. I know I should have started calling today already, but I had to take it step by step. But tomorrow, and I'm actually looking forward to it. So I'm moving forward, I think, swiftly, because from the point I was 2 weeks ago and the point I am today, there is like no difference. It's two different I don't know, attitudes towards selling and promoting what I am passionate about. So thank you so much to Ed and to everyone on your team. You're absolutely amazing. So thank you again and lots of love to you.